That would be
Oh, you're from Alberta?
Jim, you want to say something to
Calgary?
the camera?
No?
What are you doing tonight?
She was up now. From Ontario area. Maybe not.
the onion.
Are you in charge of dinner tonight?
Yes, and it's fun.
Does he speak French?
What are you cooking?
We're not stressed at all.
What are you cooking?
Yellow beans, black rice, and the butcher couldn't figure out what a freaking flank steak was. So we ended up with chicken now. So now we're making a Caribbean chicken.
Frozen chicken.
Frozen chicken.
You didn't know what a flank steak was?
No, and he couldn't cut it.
I've never heard of that. A flank steak.
I've never.
A flank steak is like normal. It's an American staple. Flank steak.
Who doesn't know a flank steak?
Flank steak? It's crazy.
It's not like it's a good cut of meat. You know
Yeah.
what I mean? Seriously.
Exactly.
There's Jerry.
Jer, say hi.
Comment ça va?
Ça va bien.
Sun's out. Oh shit, yeah, I got
Hey, go get the beer while it's the.
I tell you what, hold off on it, Andy, because Joe comes
Oh, you
back.
think?
Yeah.
That's a good call,
Save it for
Darren.
tomorrow.
That's a good call. I was just making my rate.
Yeah, I know what I'm doing.
Hey, Andy, the other thing is you should put that light back on my dad's bike.
Down this road.
Oh, you can't.